How's it going, YouTube? It's Relic with JP Street Performance. We're back again with the Vaydor. We've got JP Street Performance, the mobile van here. JP sitting behind the camera. And yeah, today we're gonna be putting around. The mastermind over here is trying to figure out how we're gonna cut the windshield and all the glass out. And we're just gonna be slowly putting around, trying to get things pulled off. And hopefully we can get the glass off today. So this is episode 5. Thanks for tuning in.
Alright, you guys, so Relic is removing the old trunk hinges because you're going to reuse those on the Vaydor kit. He's then going to remove the hood hinges. I'm going to crawl in the car so you guys won't really see much of what I'm doing, but basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip all the wiring that's in the sunroof, that's up the pillars, any kind of wiring that's on the roof, because we're going to be cutting the roof off. I'm going to start removing that and letting it hang and getting it out of the way so we don't accidentally cut through anything when we start to chop this thing up. So that's what I'll be doing. We'll probably just put it on a time lapse for now while we're kind of getting all the ancillary stuff, and then we'll come and talk to you about where we're cutting and why we're doing that. Well, I've already started cutting the fender here. Today we'll probably get the rear window out, probably if we can, the front windshield out. We're going to cut this in sections because he lives in the city limits, so we're gonna have to make sure whatever we cut up is small enough for the trash truck. So we're gonna probably kind of cut it down in sections so we don't have such large scrap pieces. Alright, you guys, so I went in, I got all the electrical harness off any of the V pillars, A pillars. You saw kind of, I know it's in time lapse, but you saw that I got the full sunroof and all the mechanism out of there. So what Relic's going to be doing is we're going to start out by cutting the rear windshield out, and then we're going to cut the roof off, and then what we'll probably end up doing is going down and starting to cut off the pillars here and these side windows afterwards, and then we'll move our way up to the front. And All right, you guys, so this rear is almost cut out completely. I really got most of the roof line done. We're gonna take this window off. What we're gonna end up having to do is probably cut closer to the glass to get through the double layers of the reinforcement because I can't get to it from the inside. So we're gonna probably try to cut through here deep on both sides, and hopefully that'll take care of that. On the front side, the other camera's there, so it caught all this, but what I went ahead and did is I just chiseled through the bottom of the glass. So basically when we go to cut these pillars, this part of the glass will just stay on there. We'll get that off at a later time, but at least we can cut the roof line and take the glass and the roof off all at once. So I believe in you.
I believe in you. Thank you.
There it goes.
Power of JP.
There's still something in that corner.
Yeah, but it's, I mean, I really don't, I'm just kind of on my gear right
Yeah.
now, but I can definitely feel that it's coming.
It's coming.
Let's get it.
All right. Ah, there you go.
It's coming.
It's coming.
What's holding it?
Keep pushing.
I see it. Right here. I need the grinder. Hand me that. Appreciate you. It's just this little piece right here.
Okay. Weak enough to push up against now?
What's that?
So is it weak enough to push against now?
I didn't hear you.
I said, is it weak enough to push up against now?
I think so. Should be good to go.
All right. Something is.
Hold on. Let me cut a little more.
It's right here.
You see it?
Yeah.
There's a piece.
All right, YouTube. We're gonna stop for the day. We need to go pick up a Sawzall to get some of this thicker stuff, but we were able to get the rear window out. We were able to chisel that glass along the bottom there. So the next video we bring you, we'll finish cutting off the entire roof, and then we'll start cutting these down. These have a certain way they need to be cut. That's why we left them on for now. So, but yeah, that's kind of it for episode 5 of the Vaydor build. Stay tuned till next time.
Have a good one.